Instant Pot is the brand synonymous with pressure cookers, and with good reason. But which is the best Instant Pot? Instant Pot pressure cookers are among the top-rated countertop appliances on Amazon and various other consumer review sites. It seems like you hear about them everywhere from fans of the devices, who say these cookers are their favorite new way to get dinner on the table in a flash. Before starting the video, please subscribe this channel for more awesome upcoming videos according to your interest only on what's best. Let's start the video. Number 9, Instant Pot Luxe. The Instant Pot Luxe 6 inches one is a great choice. It does a solid job on rice cooking, slow cooking and basic pressure cooking, making it a great starter model. This Instant Pot does have some flaws. It has only one setting for manual pressure cooking versus pots that have high and low. It also leaks quite a bit of steam through the pressure release valve while coming up to pressure, which can be a little scary until you get used to it. Price for this Instant Pot, $79 at Amazon. Number 8, Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi. Want to control your Instant Pot with Alexa? The Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi is the only model in the company's lineup with Wi-Fi built in, letting you monitor and control the device remotely using your smartphone or Amazon's voice assistant. Because it's app-controlled, you can configure the Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi with as many programs as you want, choose from more recipes in the app, and even ask Alexa for recipes. Price, $149. Number 7, Instant Pot Max. The Max in the Instant Pot Max doesn't refer to its size, but rather the fact that it can be pressurized to 15 psi, higher than the company's other models, which means you can use it for canning. It also has a sous vide function. However, it only comes in one size 6 quarts. The Max's touchscreen display is much sleeker than Instant Pot's other models, and you can release the pressure using the screen, rather than sticking your finger close to the pressure release valve and dissolve the boiling steam. Number 6, Instant Pot Duo Plus. If you have limited storage space and are looking for an appliance to replace your slow cooker, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-inch-1 can't be beat. It performed well on all of our tests, except for the rice program, and was easy to clean and program. The Duo Plus sells at a more reasonable price than the Ultra, and you can rely on it to handle most of your cooking needs, including those that call for the bonus egg, cake, yogurt and sterilize features that the Luxe and Standard Duo don't offer. This cooker also did very well at slow cooking, which makes it a true multi-purpose appliance for small homes. Price, $119 at Amazon. Number 5, Instant Pot Duo Crisp. Rather than getting an air fryer and a pressure cooker, why not combine them into one? That's what you get with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp. Similar to the Ninja Foodi, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp comes with 2 lids, one for pressure cooking, and one for air frying. So, if you want to cook, say, a chicken, you can first pressure cook it, then switch to the other lid to crisp up the skin. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp has a 1500 W heating element, which should get the Instant Pot up to pressure in no time at all, and will make searing and sautéing a cinch, too. Number 4, Instant Pot Ultra. If high design is important to you, the Instant Pot Ultra 10-inch-1 is worth the price. Its sleek, modern look with a large, bright blue display boasts a cooking time graph so you can quickly see where the pot is in the pressure-building cooking-releasing process. The Ultra was the best model at replicating a slow cooker, so it should be easy to use this model without adapting recipes. Price for this, $149. Number 3, Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus. Thanks to a 1200 W heating element, the new Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus can reduce the preheating time, meaning you can sit down to eat faster. In addition, the Evo Plus has a new stainless steel inner pot that can be used on gas, electric, and induction ranges, helpful if you want to use it to reduce liquids. And it has 2 handles, making it easier to move around. The front of the Evo Plus has a large, bright display that's not only easy to read, but should make programming the Instant Pop easier than older models. Number 2, Instant Pop Duo Nova. The Instant Pop Duo Nova is essentially the venerable Instant Pop Duo, but with an updated digital interface and an additional 10-quart option, which makes it good for large families. It also has an updated steam release valve and a progress indicator that shows when the Instant Pot is coming up to pressure, when it's cooking, and when it's finished. It also lets you set up to 3 temperature settings for each smart program. The Duo Nova is about $20 more expensive than the original Duo, but the new features could be worth it. Its price, $89. Number 1, Instant Pop Duo. The Instant Pop Duo 7-inch-1 is one of the best-selling and best-reviewed Instant Pot models for a reason. It performs consistently across all functions, producing great results, and it's very easy to use. Despite lacking an egg feature, this Pop turned out perfect eggs on low pressure and perfect rice using the rice program. We loved how intuitive the controls were for setting the Duo 7-inch-1 to cook, as well as how easy it was to deglaze and clean the insert after even a high sear. Price for this Instant Pot is $99. Thanks for watching guys, we hope you like it. Please subscribe us because we daily share awesome informative videos. If you want us to make a video on what you are looking for, please let us know that by commenting below of this video.